Hello students, good morning. In previous classes, we learn about cells, discovery and its types. We shall learn about prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. On the basis of nucleus and their nuclear membrane, cell are two types, prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells. Before prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell, we learn about all living organisms present on the earth can be classified into following two types, non-cellular organism and cellular organism. Non-cellular organism are organisms that do not contain any cells in their body, like viruses. Virus does not contain cells, but when it enter in the living body, it can make cells. Prokaryote and this type of organism is called non-cellular organism, while some organisms contain one or more cells in their bodies called cellular organism. Example, different type of bacteria, plants and animals. Cell organism again divide into following two main types. First is prokaryotic and second is eukaryotic. Prokaryotic cells are cells where organisms are primitive or incomplete cells, and prokaryotic cells are cells which have nuclear membrane and nucleus are absent, called prokaryotic cells. In prokaryotic cells, primitive type of nucleus is developed. Prokaryotic cells have all three basic structure of typical cell but lack of nuclear membrane and genetic material DNA. Nuclear material in the prokaryotic cells consists of single chromosome which is direct contain cytoplasm. Here the undefined nuclear region in the cytoplasm called nucleoid. That means in prokaryotic cells, at the place of nucleus, nucleoid is found. Nucleoid is underdefined nuclear region in the cytoplasm where no nuclear membrane is found. In prokaryotic cells, other membrane bound organelles such as mitochondria are also absent. That means all the cellular organelles, like ribosome, nucleus, Golgi complex are absent in prokaryotic cells. In prokaryotic cells, found in different type of organism, archaeobacteria, bacteria, cyanobacteria, blue-green algae, etc. We can better understand in the figures of prokaryotic cells. That is a typical prokaryotic cell of a bacterium. In this type of cell, we can see that the outer covering of the cells is known as capsule. While the other membrane is called plasma membrane, cell wall, cytoplasma, and some other membranes that are known as villi, which protect the body of different types of animals. And mesosomes are also found in prokaryotic cell, thylakoids, chromovium, ribosome attached to plasma membrane. And next is eukaryotic cells. Eukaryotic cells are cells which have advanced and complete cells, where nuclear membrane, nucleus, cellular organelles are found. That means eukaryotic cells is derived from two words eu and karyons. Eu means good and karyon means nucleus, where the cells which have well developed nucleus found is called eukaryotic cells. In eukaryotic cells, DNA, cytoplasm, ribosome, mitochondria, Golgi complex are found. Now we see difference between prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells. What are basic difference in prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells? We can see that prokaryotic cells size have 1 to 1 mm and the size of eukaryotic cells is generally 5 to 100. That means prokaryotic cell size is small while eukaryotic cell size is large. Nucleus is absent in prokaryotic cells while nucleus is present in eukaryotic cells. In prokaryotic cells contain single chromosome while eukaryotic cells contain more than one nucleus. In prokaryotic cells, nucleolus is absent, while in eukaryotic cell, nucleolus is present. Prokaryotic cell membrane-bound cell organelles are absent. That means all cell organelles that are bound by the membrane are absent, while in eukaryotic cells, membrane-bound different type of cell organelles like mitochondria, plastid, endoplasmic reticulum, ribosome, etc. Next is in prokaryotic cells, cell division take place by the fission, budding, mitosis. But in the eukaryotic cell, cell division occur by mitotic or meiotic cell divisions. And for the better understanding, we can see figure of eukaryotic cells. In this type of cell, we can see outer covering parts of the cells is known as cell membrane or plasma membrane. In animal, it is called plasma membrane, while plants it is called cell wall. Some microtubules are also found: mitochondria, which is known as powerhouse of the cells, centrioles, found vesicles, cystole, rough endoplasmic reticulum, ribosome, smooth endoplasmic reticulum, plasma membrane, flagellum. Flagellum also found in eukaryotic cells, which help in locomotion, lysosome, गोल्गी apparatus, न्यूक्लियर इन्वेलप में न्यूक्लियर पोर, न्यूक्लियोलस मिलकर पूरी तरीके से न्यूक्लियस बनाता है। नेक्स्ट वीडियोस आपकी नेक्स्ट क्लास में भेजी जाएगी।